Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix skin flicking in Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases your Windows 11 display is flicking and you are looking for how to fix this. In this video, I'm going to share with you within 7 steps how you can fix that. First of all, we're going to go in our Windows 11 Start menu, just right click over on it and then click here Settings. After click over Settings in the left side, you're going to find there's something say Personalization. After click over personalization in the right side, you're going to find here something say color. After open the color section and you're going to see a skin appear just like this, and here you're going to find here something say SN color. By default, if it is automatically, I'll suggest you to choose the manual one and then see is your Windows 11 flicking issue is fixing or not. If it is not, let me share with you the second step. In this case, we will go turn off the visual effect like animation effect. So for that, you need to go in Windows 11 again in the start menu, right click over on it and then click here settings. After click over settings, in the left side, you're going to find here something say accessibility. After click over accessibility, in the right side, you're going to find here something say visual effects. After click over visual effect, you're going to find here something say animation effects. By default, it might be on. I will suggest you to turn it off and then see is your Windows 11 this flicking issue is fixing or not. Hopefully within this step might be going to be fixed. If it is not, let me share it to the third step. So in this step, we need to again go jump over in our Windows 11 start menu, right click over on it and then click here settings. By default, it will come in the system section. In this section, you need to click here display. After click over display, scroll down and then you're going to find here something say display resolution. By default, it might be recommended one. If it is not, I will suggest you to choose the recommended one and then see your Windows 11 flicking issue is going or not. If it is not, you can choose the randomly different kind of display resolution and then see which one is working for you. If it is not working in the fourth step in the same section, you can find there's something say advanced display. After click over advanced display, you're going to find there's something say choose a refresh rate. My one only has 60.16 hertz and your one might be going to appear a bunch of options you can choose randomly one by one and see which one are going to stop the flicking issue in your Windows 11. If it is not work, let me share with you the fifth step. In this step, we're going to reset our power option. So for that, we're going to click our Windows 11 search bar and then type here control panel. And then we're going to find here control panel. Let me type here CONTROL. And you can see here is the control panel. Just open the control panel and choose here power options. After choose here power option and then you're going to see here change plan setting and then click here reset default setting for this plan and then click here yes and then restart your PC and then see is it working or not. If it is not working, let me share to the second step number 6. So for that, you click in your Windows 11 start menu, right click over on it and click here device manager. After click over device manager, we're going to extend the display adapter and then we're going to update our graphic card. Just right click over on it and click here update driver and click here search automatically for driver. And after that, it's going to be update and then see is it working or not. Hopefully within this step it's going to be work. If it is not work, let me show you to the 7th step. In this step, we're going to uninstall our graphic driver and then it's automatically going to be reinstalled. So for that, you click in your Windows 11 start menu, right click over on it, click here device manager and then click here display adapter and click here NVIDIA graphic card and click here uninstall device and then click here uninstall, and after that restart your PC, and hopefully within this all step your skin flaking issues going to be fixed in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.